in the garage again. But anyway, we're here today because my buddy from Scotland, I don't even know what the hell his name is now. Tamson, there you go. Tamson, Walking with Tamson, good channel. You guys want to see the sceneries around Scotland. But anyway, he had made mention a few weeks ago when I threw this door out that door, the truck door, Chevy truck door, out the door, that he could use that door. And I said, not a problem, we can buff it out, you know, get it working and he could have it. But anyway, let's get to it. We gotta be careful with it so we don't damage it anymore. But there it is. Let's see if we can get a good view of it there. Yeah, there we go. But not too bad. Yeah, we got a little dent right here. You know, from when it hit the ground out there. I didn't realize how heavy that door was. They must have put some steel in that one. But anyway, that's what we're working on. We're gonna fix this door up and clean it up, shine it up. And if he still wants it, we'll figure out a way to get it to him. So yeah. So yeah, that's not too bad a shape. But we gotta flip it over. Sorry, Tamson. Uh-oh. I don't think that sawhorse didn't like that. Great. That's alright. Should be alright. Well, anyway. Get her over here. Bend that corner back down. But see what we can do with that. There we go. I told him we wouldn't take much to straighten it out. You know? Look at that. Almost good as new. Better than factory. There we go. Now we'll have to flick this guy back over. Hopefully our sawhorse will be alright. Uh-oh. Alright, hold on a minute. Been a lot of work in getting in that, straightening that door up there. Hope he still wants it. Let's see here. Yeah, we might have to do a little banging and whatnot in here. I don't know how we're going to do this. I don't know, boys and girls. She's pretty banged up there. Yeah. We did her good. We bended her up good. Let's see what we can do here. self-tap her in there and hold her together a little better. That might be easier said than done. I don't know what I did with them now, but let's see. I think it'll be good enough for now. It'll be good enough. Alright. Get her back up there. Oh, damn. Alright. Nice and gentle this time. Let's make sure the camera's where we need it to be. Alright. That door did weather well from that little ordeal. Even more dents hang out of there. There we go. A little bit of a crease right there. There we go. Yeah, she's alright. Look at that. Not too bad. Oh, hold on. There. Alright. Get us some cleaning supplies here. I don't know what I did with my buffer, so we'll have to do something different. Let me see. All right, we're back. I know some of y'all are thinking, well, you guys are getting a little rough with that door for somebody wanting it, but that's a Chevy door. It can handle that. As you can see, it still has a good shine to it. We're gonna shine her up a little more, and it'll be almost like new once we're done. I don't even know what we got here. Not finding my rubbing compound. Let's see what this will do. Corrosion preventator. There we go. Try that. There we go. Now we'll do some carpet cleaner. Shine her up good, you know. Alright. This stuff out of the way. Couldn't find my buffer, so we're going to have to, we'll do something a little different. We got a towel here. Towel in the grinder. See what happens. Oop, that ain't going to do nothing. Unplug the dang cord. There we go. Oh, come on. That ain't working like I thought it would. Oh, I need a smaller rag. Maybe this one. This has got a little pink to it. Come on. Grab on. Okay. See what she looks like. Means I don't have any of that buffing compound. It probably ain't gonna come out perfect, but he'll be able to take care of that when it gets to Scotland, you know. There we go. Not getting a good buff on that compound stuff. Might have to try something different here. Hold on. There we go. We'll try something else here. We gotta lighten this thing up first. I think it's kind of underneath the glass. There. Make it a little easier to carry too. Come on. Okay. There we go. See what this does. Make sure we're recording still. Yep. I'm gonna back this up a little bit. We're gonna need a full view. There you go, Tamson. Got your door ready for you. And 615, Robert, Woody, all you guys, there was your burnout. Same with you, Robert, or Spoke from Spoke Creative. There's your burnout. You guys have a good night. Thanks for watching.